Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for U.S. History EOC. Begin by outlining the exam format and main eras so you know what matters most. Set a simple weekly schedule with short sessions and goals that feel doable. Use active study. Make timeline notes, test yourself with flashcards, and review practice questions to build confidence and spot weak areas before moving on. Focus on techniques that stick. Summarize each era into one clear paragraph emphasizing causes and consequences. Build simple timelines that map events and dates so context becomes automatic during the test. Regularly practice short essays that practice writing a clear thesis, using 2 or 3 pieces of evidence, and offering a quick analysis to boost writing speed and confidence on exam day. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long study sessions or walking between classes. I link the product and other deals in the description, so check that out if you want to try them. Now let's get back to the video. Make practice tests a regular habit to tune pacing and identify content gaps. Read and annotate primary sources to sharpen your source analysis and inference skills for multiple choice and short answer sections. Study with a friend or small group to quiz one another, explain difficult topics aloud, and swap memory tricks so information stays active and ready for the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.